Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Adobe Acrobat Pro to recognize text within a PDF. Please note that Adobe Acrobat Pro requires a paid subscription. This tutorial is not for the free version of Acrobat called Adobe Acrobat Reader. In my Downloads folder, I have a PDF from one of my blog posts. I am going to open the PDF. My PDF was converted from an image, so there is no recognizable text within the PDF. If I use Ctrl or Command F and try to search for text, I will not be able to search within the PDF. Adobe gives me an option to run an OCR scan, which stands for Optical Character Recognition scan, so that I can search for text. I'm going to show you how to do this with the sidebar tool on the left. Under All Tools, I am going to select Scan and OCR. I have a few options. Under the Recognize Text ribbon, I am going to select In This File. Adobe provides text recognition for multiple languages. In my case, I am recognizing English text. I am going to hit the Recognize Text button. Now, if I search for the term, we can now search for text within the PDF file. Please note, the text recognition for a PDF does vary based on the quality of the PDF. For example, if you have a low-resolution PDF or handwritten text, Adobe may struggle in identifying the text. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe. You can also connect with me on LinkedIn, X, GitHub, Medium, and Odyssey. I also have a podcast called The Aspiring STEM Geek, which you can check out on YouTube, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Audible, and iHeartRadio. Thanks again for watching and happy coding.